Even though the snow has stopped falling, we are still working. Our crews are doing two shifts, so they're working 12 hours. So we have the day shift and we have the night shift. So we are continuing to plow. And, it's winter. I know that we've been getting a lot of concerns from people because their roads haven't been treated yet. There are some roads we haven't gotten to yet because we do, we have our rules and regulations and policies, and we have procedures. So, when the storm initially hit, we concentrate on our priority routes and get them cleared, and then we move on to secondary routes. So we're still trying to cover some of the secondary routes and then get to the third priority routes as well. In District 4, which is over several counties, including Doddridge, Harrison, Marion, Mon, Preston, and Taylor, we have about 4,700 miles to do. So it takes some time, and we do need the patience of the public when we're doing this. So we are out there. We haven't forgot about people. We're just getting to, the areas that are a little off the primary routes now.